Alright, I'm so excited. This is the last video for today. That is not why I'm excited. I love being with y'all. But we're finally finishing up our undecorating for Halloween. I've got some Halloween themed music going. I may play some Halloween music in here just to make it festive. Or I don't know, maybe I'll play some Christmas music. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. There's gonna be some fun music in here, but we are about to get motivated and clean all this up. So before I do that, I do want to show y'all a few things I picked up from Walmart the other day. You just wait and see. Walmart's candle section has upped their game for real. So first of all, how pretty are these? They were $8, which to me is a good deal for the size of the candle, especially compared to like Bath and Body Works. So these are mainstay candles, but like look how, what is it? Okay, aesthetically pleasing. These are so pretty. I just love how simple it is, but also like the matte, obviously not sponsored. I just really like these. So this one's the warm apple pie. It's so sweet, but yeah, this one's really good. It's like a candy apple smell. Aaron picked out this one. It's a pumpkin weather. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna cut this one real quick and we'll light that one as we're cleaning up. And then this one is a hidden springs. So it's like a water. Yeah, it's really clean. Like, this would be great, honestly, for the spring. Or if you just like clean smells. This smells like fresh laundry. So I am going to go ahead and light this one since we're almost out of pumpkin season. Almost. We still got Thanksgiving to go. And then I picked up these bath bombs. They had quite a few of them. And they were only $2. And they're originally $5. So super fun. And then sometimes I don't know what to say. And then I picked up, this was only $5. I don't know why it was so cheap, but it's by Cricut and it's the holographic vinyl. And this one is so cute. There's literally a squirrel riding a bike. But I really loved this color. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but we like picking up the vinyl when it's on sale or through Amazon also. So we picked that one up because it was on sale. Normally their vinyls like anywhere from $8 to $10. So $5, really good deal. Anyways, that's what we're going to do. We'll light this bad boy and we are going to get in the living room. I still have not picked up my mess from earlier. If y'all want to see, if you missed it and you want to see some DIYs I made with my Simply Earth box, then I'll have that video at the end of this one. And I'll also have the playlist from all the quick cleaning bursts. But let's go ahead, get started. Don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. It's not focusing on anything. Alright, I'm going to go find something to put all this stuff in and we're going to get to cleaning. Alright, so these are all Christmas ornaments. They are in their bags, so I'm just going to take all these out because I'm going to have to use them anyways. And then I'll have this bucket to put a lot of the other decor in. Y'all, buckets, I don't know why, have gone up. They're so expensive now. This was like $5 when I got it, and now they are $14, even at like a Dollar General, which is just crazy to me. Also, these go on my chairs in the kitchen. You put it on your chair, and then that part of it folds down, or if you have like one of those pointy chairs, then it will just stick up like this. That's so cute. Anyways, I'm so excited. Are y'all getting excited? Anyways, I'm gonna take all these out of here and then we will start packing up all those purple and orange decorations off the tree. Yay!
Snowing cold, we've got it nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Hang a winter coat on the antlers there. Come sit down by the hearth. Let go of your worries, stripes and cares. Give the here and now all that's worth. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to heal what's torn apart. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Oh, let's spread it across the land. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to give and love some more. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Yeah. Oh, let's spread it across the land. Ooh, let's spread it across the land.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this.
Alright, here's the living room. I took out all the fall decor and got that candle going. It smells good. I smell it. I don't have anything else going. I tried to fluff up the tree a little bit better, but we are going to fill this thing up with all of those. I have more than that. That's just some of our ornaments, but I have a lot more. I have a lot more like gold ones somewhere, because this is just one bag of gold. But I'm gonna do a lot of gold, some red, probably some green. I'm just gonna try to do as much, like, you know how there's gold in here, there's gold in there. I'll just pick out all the ones that have some gold to them. There's this one that's really pretty. I'm so excited. I am so excited to decorate. I'm sorry. Also, I flipped my skirt around. That way it'll be easier. Well, because that's the side it needs to be on. I got this tree skirt at the Goodwill outlet. So it was probably maybe 15 cents. And it's so cute. Oh man, this is my favorite time of year, y'all. I get easily excited. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all go. That is it for today. I'm turning this air conditioner on because I am hot. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you back here tomorrow, because you know what's happening. We're gonna start decorating. So there will still be a few videos tomorrow. We'll probably decorate the bathrooms and the bedroom in one video. Then we'll decorate the kitchen in another video. And then we will decorate the living room in the third video. So tomorrow's videos are going to be full of Christmas. And because I'm doing the shorter videos, I'm kind of like, you know, like how the one video was just a DIY. Excuse me. Hopefully for Vlogmas, which I'm doing Vlogmas, but I'm just doing Monday through Friday. I'm not going to do weekends. That way I have like a break and also time to film if I need to film ahead. And we'll do Vlogmas up until, I guess, like the 3rd week of December, because on the 4th week of December we always go to my family's house, and hopefully I can do a vlog video while we're there so y'all can see the off-grid homestead and farm, everything, and all the animals. That's gonna be super exciting. But I'm gonna let y'all go. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Oh yeah, so the DIYs, I want to like do a lot of like fun stuff. So also, I have been to Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree to see their Christmas decor, but we have not been to Big Lots, Dollar General, Family Dollar, places like that, TJ Maxx, any of those places. So we will be doing a lot of those, which y'all know I don't really need anything else except for some pillow covers. But aside from that, it will be window shopping for me. I may like buy people Christmas gifts, but other than that, I'm just gonna take y'all a week and do some window shopping. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm running out of breath because I'm so excited about it, and I am a person that cannot contain their excitement. So anyways, I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye.
About how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.